I don't know what's happening to me today. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an absolutely lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. I'm not doing the best today. I've been feeling a little bit under the weather for the past couple of days, but it's okay. I've taken a vitamin B12 thing. I've had 2 of these gigantic things full of cold brew coffee. So I am feeling a little bit better. I also think I've like overcompensated a little bit for feeling not so great by putting on earrings. I never wear earrings, especially ones that are so like dangly. Anyway, wow, off topic. I am very excited today because I have partnered with FABFITFUN once again to do an unboxing for you guys of their winter FABFITFUN box. FABFITFUN is a really cool subscription that has been quickly becoming one of my favorites. I've been really enjoying it. It has full size like lifestyle, beauty, and wellness items inside the box. It is a seasonal box that you will receive one time each of the 4 lovely, beautiful seasons. And it is $49.99, but if you use the nifty little code here that I'm going to put on the screen and down in the description, which is AR10 I believe, then you will get $10 off your first box. Are these like jingles gonna bug anybody else this entire video? Every time I turn my head, it's like Santa Claus is coming to town. So as I said, the box is $49.99 every season, but it does come with $200 worth of value inside the box, which is really awesome. Also, they are now allowing like customizable options for your box, which I think is super duper cool. I really like subscriptions that allow you to customize things within your box. So today I'm gonna show you what's in mine. So here it is. It is rather large. Another interesting thing about the winter box is that it's supporting the Kindness Factory, which promotes acts of kindness within communities. All right, you guys, so I'm back on box cutters. Any of you who are now afraid again, I'm very sorry. So right on top here, we have a little FABFITFUN magazine, which will tell us about all sorts of stuff, plus the items that come in the box. Oh, it appears I have moved the camera. All right, you guys, so I'm already pretty excited just by opening up the little box here, or actually it's a giant box, but opening up the box here, already pretty excited. So the first little thing I'm going to pull out here is from Ava, and I have received something from this brand multiple times, and I say it wrong literally every time. I don't know how, I don't learn, but this is a very nice brand. So this is a mask for the face that is supposed to hydrate your skin. I really do love this lovely blue color the packaging is in. So that is item number 1. Next up here, we have something from Thrive Cosmetics, and I've received something from them before as well. I really like their little play on words. So this is cosmetics because it goes for a good cause. So this, also in some very pretty blue packaging, is apparently a highlighter. And according to the little box here, it says that it has ring light technology. Can you guys see that? I don't know what they mean by that. I currently have a ring light here right in front of me, and pretty much the only thing it does for me is leave lovely little glares on my glasses. I have it turned down to like the lowest setting because it's so daggone bright. So maybe this is gonna shine as brightly as that ring light there in front of me. Okay, so it comes in like a little pencil stick form here, and I've swatched it on the back of my hand, and there it is. It is a very like subtle glow. Maybe if I had my ring light going at full power, it would like really glare off of this. It is a very nice champagne-y color. It does go very nicely with my skin. I don't know why I think this is so different. It says shine bright with long-lasting champagne shimmer powered by ring light technology. What is that? It says you can use it just like underneath your brow bone though, and I don't have any brow bone highlight on, so I'm quickly going to slap some on there and see how it looks. Oh yeah, I'm also wearing massive amounts of glitter, which is currently all over my face, body, and every surface near me. I don't know what's happening to me today. Okay, so it's actually pretty subtle, but I really like how it applied. Nice and smooth and creamy and not like really sticky or liquidy, and it blends super nice into my skin, so I actually really like it. Don't understand the ring light thing. I just don't know. If you guys know what that means, please let me know down below in the comments. Okay, next up here. Next up here, we have something I'm actually very excited about if you couldn't tell from my like, this is a jade roller, and I've seen these online before and they just look really pretty, so I wanted to try it out. It says you're supposed to use this daily for 2 minutes after moisturizing and roll it on your face and your neck and everything. All right, so here is the little roller. It does have 2 ends here, probably one to get into like little smaller areas and one for larger areas. I don't know, I just think it's so pretty. Oh, that is nice. It's so cooling feeling, so I could definitely see how this would be so nice after you just put on your moisturizer, just sit there and roll this on your face. I really like this. Okay, enough of that. Let's go ahead and move on to the next item in the box here, which is from Blank. I have received something from them before. It was a sheet mask, and these here are little eye masks with hyaluronic acid. All right, so inside the little box here, it looks like you get 5 pairs of the black under eye pads. On the back, it says late nights, too many cheeky wines, and let's not forget those carb on carb delights. I do love me a good carb. So apparently these are charcoal masks that are supposed to help detox your under eye area and like perk them up a little bit. Very fun, and I do like that you get 5 of them. I feel like that's a number that you could actually see some results from. I don't know what that is. We'll wait on that one. Okay, and next up here, ooh, I can already smell it from inside the box. We have Alleviate 2 essential oils, eucalyptus and sweet orange. So I'm actually pretty excited about the sweet orange one. I bet that's gonna smell amazing, but unfortunately I am allergic to eucalyptus. I don't even know if that's possible, but when I smell eucalyptus, the headaches just, ooh, they come up really, really fast. So I probably won't smell the eucalyptus one just in case. And I'll probably pass that on to somebody else, but I think I'm already getting a whiff of the sweet orange. So let's go ahead and give it a little sniffer here. Oh, the sweet orange smells amazing. Oh my gosh. It just smells like the freshest, juiciest, ripest orange ever. Ooh, I just happen to really like oranges too. So this is very exciting for me. I don't even know what it's for. I'm just rubbing it on my skin. What is this for? So this says that sweet orange is often used on the temples or stomach for cramps or headaches. And oh, I have not been experiencing the cramping recently. So that's incredibly exciting. It also says that the eucalyptus can be applied topically to sore muscles, and can be beneficial for cold or flu symptoms. So I'll pass on the eucalyptus to somebody else who enjoys eucalyptus, but this sweet orange, I'm just gonna rub it on my skin so my skin smells like oranges. Okay, next up here, we have something from Moroccan Gold series. Oh, this is for hair care. So this is a treatment mask for intense care for dry, damaged hair. And wouldn't you know it, that's exactly what I have. I was actually responding to a comment yesterday. Somebody had left a comment saying like, girl, your hair doesn't look that bad, but your haircut is terrible. And I responded like, yes, you were 100% right. I did it myself in the bathroom with old scissors. So maybe that's one reason that it looks so not fantastic on the ends. Oh, and also thank you very much for your advice about next time I go to the salon. I will go ahead and tell them to give me that one kind of cut that you said. I feel like you know what you're talking about. So here we have a big old tub of face mask, no hair mask. And this is supposed to be made with pure Moroccan oil, enriched with keratin, and it's also sulfate free. So here is our tub of mask. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like on the inside. So just a pretty standard looking mask. It has a really nice scent to it, nothing too crazy overpowering, just kind of a nice like herbaceous smell to it. This I am very, very interested in. It comes in plastic wrap and is wrapped up in white from the brand Halston. I've never heard of this brand before. Oh, okay, so inside we have a little golden book. Okay, so this is just kind of like an organizer of sorts. Oh, why don't I not know what this is? There are like little bands here that snap on and off. And then on this side, we kind of have the same little business going on over here. Maybe this is like a jewelry organizer or something, like you can hang your necklaces here. I'm definitely going to read in the little pamphlet because I'm just not 100% sure what this is, but it is a nice pretty gold color and it feels pretty good. All right, so we're nearing the end. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull these out. This has something to do with exercising because it says get fit with Brooke Burke. It's kind of like this box knows me. I have wanted to start getting like more in shape and taking better care of myself. I actually tried to like register for a gym the other day and I thought they would be perfectly fine with just taking my money right there on the spot, but no. Apparently there's like a whole like registration, application, approval process you have to go to. I have to speak with the representative of the gym. Apparently you just can't go to a gym. The first time I had the motivation to like rejoin a gym and now I have to like get interviewed for it. Okay, so we have 2 little discs here and it says you're supposed to use these on carpet or rugs. I know what these are. Okay, so it doesn't exactly say what they are on here, but it says that you're supposed to use them like on carpeted surfaces. Don't use them near stairs. These are little slidey discs that you put under your knees and you like on top of. Okay, I've seen things like this before. So basically it's just 2 little discs with a very flat, smooth surfaces on the bottom. You put your knees on top of them and then you like, you know, like this. Maybe I won't need to go to that gym that wants me to send in a full resume before I can start using their treadmills. Alright, you guys, and last but not least, we have this little guy here, and I'm very excited for this. I love the color and the texture of it. I don't exactly know what it is. It's either a blanket or a shawl, but let's go ahead and unravel it here so we can see. Ooh, okay, so I think this is a blanket. It is very, very soft and nice feeling. Oh, did I already get lip gloss all over it? There's so much fuzz in my lip gloss right now. So this here is a very nice, soft, like, oh, it's two-toned. I couldn't even tell. It is a really cute little blanket here. But honestly, it is so thin, you could probably double it over and use it as a shawl if you wanted to. It'd be nice and warm and cozy. I really like getting stuff like this in subscription boxes because this is something I'm definitely going to use. My mom, she absolutely loves blankets and throws. Honestly, because I have so many, she might like this. I might see if she wants this. I feel like this would definitely be right up her alley. It's nice and soft and fuzzy. So this is super duper cute and I'm very, very excited about it. All right, you guys, so that's everything that came in my FABFITFUN box. Let's go ahead and go through some full-size pricing here. All right, so it seems like everybody in their winter box will receive a blanket. You're either going to get it in gray and ivory or natural and ivory. I think I got mine in natural and ivory and it is $49. So there you go. One item already completely pays for the box. Next up, you could have either gotten a bear paw combo set of a headband and pop top glove duo, or you could have gotten the Moroccan Gold Series treatment mask. The gloves are $45 and the Moroccan treatment mask that I got for my hair is $49. Okay, so the next thing here is the H. Houston jewelry portfolio, which is what I received, so it is for jewelry, and that is $48. Or you could have received the Orbe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo, which is $44 for dry shampoo. Then we have a silver circle necklace, which is $49. So you could have received one of these three items. The next little category here, we have a pair of socks that were over the knee. Those are $24. Or the Jadeite stone roller, which is what I received, which is $45. Or you could have received a pure palette, which is $36. And then apparently these two categories here, only select members get to customize these options. If you upgrade to the annual subscription, then you get to customize these options over here. The other options I was talking about here, minus the blanket option, are just all members get to customize. So you could have either received a Bite Beauty Mousse Bouche lipstick in Marinju, which is $26, or you could have received a 4-piece coaster set, which is $18, or the little slidey thingies, which are $18. Then down below, you could have either picked the essential oil set, which is $31, or the Anthropologie Sea Whip body cream, which is $24. And then down here at the bottom, it shows things that like everybody received in their box, which is the Thrive Cosmetics eye highlighter, the Avra Hydration cream mask, and then the black little hydrogel eye masks. This is definitely a job for our trusty little ice cream calculator here, so let's go ahead and do some math. Okay, you guys, so my total value came to $326, it won't focus, there we go, dollars. And I honestly think that is a super great value for this box. It is well over what you pay for the box, and I think the items in here, especially this time, are very, very useful, at least for me. I'm very excited for the little blanket. I'm gonna definitely give those little slidey pads a try. I'm super pumped for this jade roller because it's something that I've seen, but I would never just like go spend the 40-something dollars. How much was this? $45 myself for, so it's nice that it came in this box. The only thing that I might not get too much use out of is the jewelry portfolio because yeah, I'm wearing dangly shiny earrings right now, but that never happens. So that is something that I can see myself passing along to somebody else. But I'm also considering ordering one of these boxes for my mom for Christmas as like a little gift. Shh, don't tell her. Mom, if you're watching this part, sorry. But anyway, you guys, that was everything that I received in my winter FABFITFUN box. Again, if you would like to get $10 off your very first box, you can use the code AR10. I'll leave it down below in the description for you guys. And yeah, so that is everything I have for you all today. So thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and consider subscribing. It would mean the absolute world to me. And I hope you all have a wonderful, lovely, fantastic day. And I'll see you all next time. Bye! I can't tell you all the times that I almost run out of oxygen trying to say that last line. I don't know what's happening to me today.